Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lady Lori, and a lot of you know me by Miss Lady because that is what Sassy calls me. So welcome, and pull up a chair, grab whatever beverage is your choice of drink, and make sure you went to the bathroom, okay, before this show begins. Anyway, so what I'm wearing today, what my makeup is, the makeup on my face is something coming up. It's a giveaway. It's coming up. It's a palette. You guys, it's coming up on the 9th. The deadline for the Mercury Retrograde Huda Beauty palette. Don't forget, make sure you guys are signed up. All right, let's go. As Sassy would say, okay. Listen. So, no, we're not going to say so anymore. We're done saying so. All right, this is not a sewing class, not home ec. Let's fix this lip, because the last time I really screwed up and made myself look like a hooker, I put too dark a lip on when I was using an eyeshadow that has a lot of depth to it. So when you do that, and when you have an eye that's like this, and this is the Mercury Retrograde, by the way, I was checking something out. It was a trick. It works, but now I want to make it look different on my eyelid. I don't want it to occupy that much of my eyelid. So what I want to do is make it to where it's kind of, like a peak, like a mountain, to where it's just on a certain part of my lid and not. And then I want to color on the outside. Anyway, I put a nude on my lip, and I'm just going to add a little bit of Fenty Beauty on top, and then we're going to get going on this video. That is it. I don't need anything more. Okay, so maybe just a little bit. Just relax. You guys, I have got the skinniest, smallest lips known to man. My mother hated hers. I can't stand mine. She says, you got it from me. I'm like, well, then who the hell did we get it from? She says, my mother, my grandma, God rest her soul. She's not here for us to tease. But the thin lips that do also run in the Hispanic, nationality, do not get me going there. Okay, you guys, let's get going. Let's get going into this planner here. We've got a lot of things going on in this video today. I do have my Zeesea. The subscription came in. Sassy told you it came in on March 30th. I was not happy, but there have been some things going on surrounding me and my family right now. My apologies. I'm just trying to get a couple of videos up for you guys this week. Make sure I fill my spots on Wednesday and Friday. Hang on a sec. I am going to be announcing the winner of the Make Your Own Holiday. Here's how it went. I went through all of them, and the ones that piqued me, the ones that were ones that I gravitated towards them, and I said, you know what, that right there, you know what, that's a possibility. And I'm going to go ahead and where is it going to be? It's going to be right here, not right now, but in another video. I'm going to show you guys how I did that. And I took the names of the individuals that made their suggestions on Make Your Own Holiday, and I put them in the random name picker. And you're never going to believe the name that it picked. This is just a nice little gift to the person that helped me create my own holiday. It was the one I was gravitating the most to, that you're kind of going like this, and I'll be damned. Yep, that's the one it picked. That's coming up in another video too. All right, what else do we have? Okay, here we go. We are announcing the winner of the Moonlight Athr Beauty palette, as well as the Desert Sunset Athr Beauty palette. Here's how it's going to happen. Let's just do it now. For the Desert Sunset palette, this is the Athr Beauty palette. You will also get a COLLAB travel brush set, those little mini ones that go in the little tube. Kind of look like a toothbrush tube. Okay, well, I'll let you know what the colors are that I have left, the 3 that I do have left, and then you can just let me know which one that you would like for me to send you. So the very first one for the sunset. This one right here. Okay. Here's your winner. It's a new name on our platform. Congratulations to Life with Lois's for winning this Athr Beauty palette. What you have to do, Lois, is you have 48 hours to get in touch with me, either through Instagram or what is the other one? Oh yeah, that's right, my email. Email me or get a hold of me through DM on Instagram and give me your information. Make sure I reach out to you first before you put any of your personal information on there, to make sure that it's me responding to you. All right. Thank you, Lois, and congratulations. It's so exciting to have new names on the platform. This is, I'm glad YouTube is finally just, but come on, you guys. Nancy, she just wins everything. All right, you guys, the next one. This is our Moonlight palette from Athr Beauty. And here we go. That's right. That's your winner right there. Congratulations to, and I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly, but it is Vonda Dover, 1978. Vonda, I don't know if that's your first name. We haven't been properly introduced. My deepest apologies, but congratulations. You won yourself the Moonlight Athr Beauty palette, the Moonlight Crystal palette. You as well get to pick from whichever one of you guys gets a hold of me first gets the pick out of 3, and then the next gets the pick out of 2. But those little travel brushes from COLLAB that Sassy showed you. You as well have 48 hours to reach out to me through DM on Instagram or get a hold of me. Down in the description box below are both those ways of reaching out to me, or through an email. Send me an email or get a hold of me through Instagram. I prefer email. Just going to let you guys know that because it allows me to stay in touch with you. I can also send you tracking when the package heads off. So congratulations to Vonda Dover, 1978. We got another new name on the platform. So yay. It is so exciting. It's exciting for me. I hope you guys are excited because, when there's a new person on the platform all the time, your chances, you guys, of getting picked, it's like right there. It's like you can almost taste it. You can just like almost grab my stuff. I think that's it. Our video is going live. Hop into spring. That one hits at 9 o'clock this upcoming Saturday, the 9th, as well as 12 p.m. is when the Huda Retrograde giveaway does end. That's it. That's all I got for you. Let's go ahead and let me show you guys what I got from Zeesea. Are you guys ready? I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready. Okay, as Sassy said, we were not happy. I was not happy because the darn thing got here at stinking on the last one of the, the day before the last day of the month. This is my March subscription. They already took my money out for April, which means, and it tells you exactly what's happening with regards to shipping. So I should be getting my box like around the 15th to 18th. The first item is Honey and Beauty. It's a control oil removal acne. Removal acne and mites. Remove mite body soap. I know, the box is not that big of a deal, right? It's what's inside the box. Really, come on, Lori. So it kind of comes like this. Has this little, the little soap. That those fluffy washers, what do they call them? The all over body puffs, the body wash puffs. It's made out of that exact same material. And I'll tell you something, it smells really good, you guys. It smells really, really good. Okay, well, it's made out of that same material. And it is a soap, hard soap. This is a little sash that does close up with a little ribbon. And I guess you put this in there either to dry. Makes sense? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Let me know. Comment section down below. And this is, it's real pretty. I mean, it's a very soft baby blue. Man, that smells clean. I don't know about getting rid of this, you guys. There's something about this scent that just says, keep me. It says, keep me. So I'm like, okay. All right. What are their prices? Don't know. I'm going to look a little bit more into the subscription of Zeesea and see if we can't get, because I know that they do sell their items by themselves, and maybe these items are available and they'll give me some price per item. But I do know that we're supposed to get a value of up to $80, and it is a $40 box. The next one is, I shouldn't have to say, oh, it's by Zeesea. This is the Living Colorfully Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. Oh, and I love these tops, the box that has that little tab. You guys are going to love this. You're going to love it. Just because I said you're going to love it. Isn't it cute? It's cute, right? It's cute. I haven't set my makeup yet. I was waiting. It has a really heavenly scent. Just telling you that. It's kind of, you know what it reminds me of? Huda. It's just, I mean, only smaller. It's like they gave us the sample size. Let's see what the sprayer's like. Well, you know what? First off, this thing already beats Huda hands down, because Huda's sprayer sucks. Okay, let's see here. Let's do this. That smells pretty darn good. That I'm just gonna say it smells pretty darn good. It's not sticky or anything like that. I do get a lot of stickiness from certain setting sprays. This one did not have that. I have not set my face anyhow. I didn't use any setting powder. I was just trying to get my butt on here and get these recordings done so that I can start editing and get this video up by Wednesday. Oh, and guess what? You see my date up there? That's April 2022. I don't care what the date says anymore. That's the year. That's right, Diana. Diana Garms. That's right. Hey, if I don't give you shit, who will? Okay, this one is by the Living Colorfully line that they have within their company. The Color Double-Headed Eyeshadow. Now, as for colors and stuff like that, they really don't have anything like that on the packaging. So I can't tell you, you know, anything that we get, what its colors are. We just guess, you know. It does have a thicker end, and it does have a more narrow. So you have your thicker end here, like the crayon, you know, like a not really nice thick crayon. Let's see here. Oh, smells like coffee. You know what I mean? It's like a dark brick. That's a pretty brown. And like I said, it's not labeled with colors. Numbers, but no colors. And then you have more of a pencil tip instead of the crayon. And this one is that champagne. Put that right next to it. Almost what I have on my eyes. I did use the full spectrum eyeliner, the nude. That is what's on my eyes. It gives it a little bit more, you know, awake. Instead of so dark with liner. I did not use any black eyeliner at all tonight. Oh, there you go. The next one here is Dessert Time. It's a mousse concealer. I was expecting it when it said Dessert Time that it was going to be something for your lips, but no. And it is very pretty, but look at the top on this. It's got the little confettis. Isn't that cute? And then here is the, look at the colors. Look at the color. So it's a light. I don't want to open the tube. I was going to and just kind of put it on the back of my hand, but you know what? Until it's time to start using it, I'm not going to have it dry out on me. So that's dessert time. 4. And then last but not least, this is the, yes, center stage. This is their palette. This one is from also as well from the British Museum. This one is called Fireworks 16 color eyeshadow. I gotta tell you guys, I did peek. Of course I peeked. Of course I peeked in all of them. I did take that plastic wrapper off of all of them. This thing is weighted. It is heavy. It feels like you're holding maybe 1 or 2 of those little tiles. Oh gosh, sorry. There you go. I hope you can see that. I know. There's your mirror. Unfortunately, it's frosted. Did you notice that? That is the product protector. That's the product protector. The neighbor's shooting. It's late. It's actually late here. And my dogs cannot stand the sound of guns. This palette I am looking forward to digging into. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. So don't forget the 2 individuals, that one, which is Vonda Dover, 1978, and Life with Lois's. You guys have to get a hold of me, Instagram or my email down below in the description box down below. All right, you guys. I just want to thank you guys very much for spending just a little bit of time with me. And if there's anything that you would like to consider subscribing to this channel. If it's something that you're interested in. You know, I don't want anybody to be here that does not like my content. Well, I mean, you can, you know what I'm saying? I mean, you could. Just because you don't like my content doesn't mean that I'm going to tell you to leave. So yeah, you can or you can't. You can or you don't have to. Just consider it. When you leave here, if you haven't subscribed it, consider it. Okay? All right, you guys. You take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.